What is going on, YouTube? Nate here at Go Karts Are Gone Fishing. Welcome back to another episode of building my golf cart, my $75 golf cart, because that's all I paid for the motor, half and all that. As you can see, I got a bed mocked up on there. It's just sitting there right now, but that is going to be put on there as a dump bed by the time I'm done. As you can also see, I have shocks. I've got 4 of these shocks. I'm using 2 here on the front, and that's just sitting there so I can get ready to make my front shock mount. I also made this here battery box off camera. I just wanted to get it done quick. It wasn't too hard to do. I was proud of my welds on that one. All right. Battery's going to go right here. Okay. So I'm going to cut me out a piece of metal to go here. It's going to be 4 foot wide. And another piece of metal to go up here for the dash. It's going to be 4 foot wide. And I'm going to drill 2 holes center of this piece and get to welding on that. But first I'm going to make that bar going across and cut the 2 the same length, 4 foot. Do it like this. The more you know. I like that better anyway. Rome wasn't erected in a day. Alright, that didn't work. Back to the drawing board. Alright guys. I got it kind of all mocked up where I like it. I mean, it looks kind of tall. I don't know, but I want it like that. I don't want it to look like a golf cart as much as possible, you know what I mean? Yeah, eventually I'll have pieces going from here down, but it's going to be a little taller because I'm going to make room for headlights. But I'm running extremely low on metal, so I think I'm going to tack that up just sitting like that. I can move it around if I need to, and see what else I could do. What do y'all think of that battery box placement? I think it'll be fine right there. These are just sitting there so I can see what it looks like, which that's what it's going to be doing eventually, but a lot cleaner. Alright, I'm going to tack these guys down right here. I'm still debating on tacking that down because I kind of want to paint it while it's off. It'll be a lot easier to paint. Which reminds me, I haven't given up on this guy yet. It's going to get painted soon, so stay tuned. Alright, so I am like critically low on metal. Like all my metal, that's my metal stash now. It's all short stuff. No more angle iron. No more of this like 1¼ inch stuff. So I just called my buddy. He said, bring the beer and we'll go get some more metal. So I'm going to go, it's raining outside, but ooh, look at that beautiful bean footage. But yeah, I'm gonna load up and go get some more metal, and should have enough to finish this job. Just so you guys know, I'm gonna build it's gonna come up like this, over and down, and then I'm gonna have a headlight like that. Kind of give it a mean, kind of Polaris look, kind of. Ooh, it's gonna be sick. Alright guys, it's like a week later. I did get some more metal, but all I could get was angle iron. So I'm going to have to make do with what I got from now on. In this video, as you can see, I got the dash tacked up. I'm going to try to at least get the headlight frame done on this bar, and that's what you're about to see me do. So I got my top eyebrows here kind of laid out. I'm going to tell you that was a lot of cutting. Now get it all squared up. Make sure 4 3/8. Tell me if it moves. Did it move? Yeah. See it? Do you want it? Yep, time to weld these guys in. I'm very happy with that. I'm very, very happy. Quick update. I'm having serious computer issues as I'm trying to edit this video. But I got that bottom piece in, and I'm looking to what I have to do to make my first hood piece here. So I gotta cut that to size and we'll tack it in. And it's still Saturday, so I got plenty of time. There's no worries there. But there's my dash look. Guys, let me know. I don't know, it's gonna be weird. Whoa, it rolls easy.
No.
Back shocks are working great.
Not gonna know it. Yeah, this is Johnny proof.
Johnny approved? Johnny proof. That'll be the end of part 4 golf cart build. I think the next part I'm gonna do all the welding and grinding and stuff off film. I still got a few more braces. I'm gonna run 2 through here. Up. We'll be at a little different increment. But yep. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Small Engine Nation. Hopefully my computer will let me get this video up. And yeah, thanks for watching. For anybody who's still watching, we got some new stuff in the shop. Some new will it runs. Stay tuned.